What's up, everyone? Behind me is Chengdu's incredible 100km Greenway, and today I'm going to ride it all, and I will teach you some useful Chinese along the way. My name is Valentina, a Chengdu local who loves exercising and helping awesome people like you to learn Chinese in a fun way. As you can see, I'm not in a classroom. I believe that the best way to learn is to see the language in real life. So in this video, I'm going to share this beautiful ride with you, and I'll teach you 10 must-known Chinese words about cycling and the outdoors, as well as some super useful Chinese sentences. All right, let's go. Okay, let's start with our first word today. This is my bike. Bike. In Chinese, we say 自行车. Bike. 自行车. Okay, here we start. I'm climbing uphill. As our beginning, I'll show you guys the environment around me. It's a beautiful bridge. Up there is the subway system, line 3. Along the Greenway, there is a rest stop roughly every 2 to 3 kilometers. They have convenience stores or vending machines where you can get water and snacks. And public restrooms are also available for everyone to use. This means you can travel light without having to carry a lot of supplies. The Greenway has tons of security, cameras everywhere, emergency buttons to call for help, and security booths. You will even see guards rolling around on golf carts, so someone can always help you out if anything happens. I know that seeing cameras everywhere might make some of you feel a bit uncomfortable or uneasy, but from a local's perspective, these cameras actually make us feel really safe and secure. They have greatly reduced the crime rate, and if you accidentally lose your important belongings, the police can often help you find them much more quickly. Honestly, the only people who are concerned are those up to no good. That red building over there is Jinghua Temple, a place full of childhood memories where I often played with my cousins. But beyond my personal collection, it holds profound historical significance. It was first built in the Tang Dynasty over 1,300 years ago. This temple remains a hidden jewel where history, architecture, and art peacefully converge. I'll make a dedicated video in the future to show you around the charm of Jinghua Temple. Okay, now I'm about to go uphill. To go uphill in Chinese, we say 上坡.
to go uphill, 上坡. This ramp is not very steep. It's on the opposite side. It's very gentle. As you can see, it's not very difficult for me. Okay, from here now, it's all downhill. To go downhill, in Chinese, we say 下坡,下坡. To go downhill, 下坡. I love coasting downhill. It's so relaxing and fast. Just like gliding through the air, like a bird. There is a restroom. I just pulled over and I found a restroom. Restroom in Chinese, we say 卫生间 or 厕所. Restroom, 卫生间 or 厕所. Restroom. That side is the men's room, and this side is the women's room. Now I'm washing my hands. Wash hands. In Chinese, we say 洗手,洗手. Wash hands. 洗手. There is another bridge up ahead. Bridge. In Chinese, we say 桥, bridge, 桥.
Chengdu's Greenway boasts 78 uniquely designed bridges, each with its own theme. They serve as vital links between 121 ecological parks, incorporating elements like Sichuan culture and pandas into their designs. These bridges blend traditional charm with modern aesthetics, making them popular spots for cycling and sightseeing. The wind in my face, the sun on my back. This ride was a reminder to feel the aliveness in every moment. Your body is your vehicle, not just for travel, but for embracing every little beauty in life. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell for more adventures right here in China. It really helps me out a lot. Thanks again for watching.